Vehicles tips. Customer states car shut off while driving. Won't start back up? Today, we're going to take a quick look at this Hyundai Elantra for diagnostic. Why is not starting? Let's check and examine engine bay and this oil cap to see if we can detect any internal engine damage. To begin, we'll remove the oil cap and gently blow off any dust or debris. There is no visible damage or leaks. The oil level appears to be in excellent condition. However, checking your radiator fluid and determining if it's contaminated with some other fluid. Radiator fluid is essential to the cooling of your car's engine, so it's crucial to make sure it's free from contamination. The air filter should be checked regularly to ensure it is not clogged or contaminated with some fluid. Check the battery condition if it shows low voltage or if any of the fuses that are blown are detected. If any of the fuses have blown, ice them with new ones as well. Let me check if the fuel condition is good enough to start the engine with this starting fluid. If it won't start without any further actions, then we will have to wait for the fuel to get more accessible or enlist the assistance of someone who knows better. Let's see if it will start with some kick start. If you notice any signs of damage to your ignition coil, it's crucial to take immediate action. Damaged coils can lead to reduced performance, unreliable ignition, and even potential engine damage. Inspect the plug's tip for cracks or rough edges, as these can cause uneven firing and poor fuel efficiency. Checking engine compression helps identify any internal damage or if there's a need for replacement parts. If you notice low compression, it could indicate a problem with the engine's fuel injection system or poor engine design. When the engine is healthy, it should be between 90 to 130 psi 54 to 63 bar. If it goes above 200 psi 90 bar, it means it's failing its compression test. Here's some information to help you understand if your car's engine is healthy or if it needs to pass its compression test. But this engine has bad cylinders. Timing chain snap. Might need engine rebuild or replace.